Okay, my friends, so today's video is we are going to start adding three-digit numbers. So I have a math problem here, 215 plus 136. You'll notice I have my ones place, my tens place, and my hundreds place all lined up nice and equal place value, and we'll talk more about why that's so important in a little while. So the first thing that we need to do today is we would be using our hundreds, tens, and ones blocks to model just like we did with two-digit numbers. So I'm going to get out 100, 200. So there's my 200. I'm going to get out, I'm going to move these down just a little bit so we can see. Good. So I got my 200. I have my 10. And now I need 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I have the number 215 built, and now I need to build the number 136. So I'm going to go down here, 130. I know I need 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. And see, I'm keeping my hundreds in the same area, my tens in the same area, and my ones, because I want to stay nice and neat and organized with my math. So I'm going to get out 6 ones for 100. I'm sorry, 36. So I'm almost there. Okay, great. So now I have both numbers built. Now, just like when we were adding two-digit numbers, we always start by adding the ones together. So I'm going to add up my ones. Now I know up top, as I have 5 ones, right? So I can count on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Uh-oh. I know, and I bet you guys remember too, I cannot keep 11 in the ones place because I can only have one digit. So I have to think about how I can trade so I don't have 11 ones. Now, when we had two-digit numbers, we thought, oh, well, we could trade for a 10. So I could pick up 10 of these ones pieces and trade it for a 10. So I had 5 up top, so I'm going to get 5 more from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And I'm going to change it to yellow just so you can see. So I had 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10. It's almost like they're in my hand, like my ones cubes if I had these actually in my hand. And I'm going to trade it for a 10. And I'm going to move it. Now it can't stay in the ones place. I'm going to trade it over, put this down a little bit, for a 10. So now I know I have still 1 in my ones place because it was 11. I didn't trade all of them. I traded 10, so I get to keep 1 in the ones place. Now I need to show that on my math work that I have a 10 I regrouped. So now here's my 10 I just regrouped. Another 10 from our first number, and 3 tens from our second number. So I can add those all up. 1 10 plus 1 10 is 2 tens, plus 3 more tens is 5. Let's count to make sure I have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. So I have 50. Okay, now I'm going to go to the hundreds place. I have 2 hundreds and I have 100. 2 hundreds plus 100 is 351. So I was able to do the exact same steps I did with two-digit numbers, but now using three-digit numbers. Let's do one more problem. Okay, we're going to start over. And all right, I'm going to write a new problem down for us. How about we do 176 plus 118. Okay, so let's start by building this out. So I know I need to get 100 for 176. I know 70. I'm going to need, spread this out a bit, 7 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 170. I need to get my 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 176, and now I need to build 118. I'm gonna get 100. I only need 110, and I need 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now I'm ready to add. I always know I add in my ones place, so 6 plus 8. I have 6. I'm going to add 8 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Uh-oh, I know 14 can't stay in the ones place, so I know 14, I can regroup 10 of them to the tens place. So I'm going to grab 10, and I'm going to change it so you can see I have 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm going to trade it for a 10, and I'm going to regroup it to the tens place. Now you have to remember, if you show it on your blocks, modeling it, you also have to show it on your math paper. So I had 14, but I regrouped to 10. So I kept 4 in my ones place, because 14 is a 10 and 4 ones. I now have to show I regrouped to 10. And now I need to add my 10. So I had my 110 I just regrouped. I had my 7 tens, 7 tens, my 110 down here, my 110 here. 110 plus 7 tens is 8 tens, plus 1 more 10 is 9 tens. Let me count to make sure I have 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to write 9 in my tens place. Okay, and now I need to go to my hundreds place. I have 100, which I see in my modeled picture, 100. I have another 100, which I see in my picture I modeled. So 100 plus 100 would be 294.